Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Bench. Bench means long seat. For example, a park bench. A park bench. Synonyms: pew, form, long seat.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Spoons clatter, wooden benches scrape against the stone floor. Now, repeat after me. Spoons clatter, wooden benches scrape against the stone floor. The second exemplar. Tall hedges stood with stone benches in front of them. Now, repeat after me. Tall hedges stood with stone benches in front of them. The third exemplar. Use ladder-back chairs, rocking chairs, benches, wicker furniture and Windsor chairs. Now, repeat after me. Use ladder-back chairs, rocking chairs, benches, wicker furniture and Windsor chairs.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah mat, meaning the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.